And see a one gunshot, put your hands in the air. Some girl them are confused, we sick of love every day. We dey stand for the pain, yo. Why? And in a few weeks, God bless, we are confirm the papers. Now them a show fake love, me not do it same way, me not foot to the bay. Tease me, take your body, tease me, wo. Fat ass girl, you better pre me, wo. Me got a life, so me have to keep it. What I go on for you, respect, you have to know. So I go by the name Eckow, Hunter, Afro beats, Afro dancehall, Afro fusion, everything about Afro beats, I'm there. Actually, I come from a music family, so everyone in the family is actually a musician. My dad is a music director. I have 8 siblings, ladies. I'm the only male child from the family, and then all of us, we all sing. So right from the beginning, we all got into music. Come my way. Professionally, 6 years now. Yeah. I inspired my own self. Yeah. Your love that do me, you taking this. Okay, my genre of music is Afro fusion. That is how we basically call it now. Afro beats fused with any other genre. Afro fusion, basically, that's what I do. So I would like to collaborate with Stone Boy, definitely, and Samini, and then internationally it's gonna be Wizkid, then maybe Dave, Santan Dave, UK. And in a few weeks, God bless me, I confess. If I had a chance to open a show for any artist, it's definitely gonna be Wizkid from Nigeria. Yeah. Tease me, make your body tease me. Aye, fat ass girl, you better pre me. Me got a life, so me have to keep it. What I want for your mind. Right now, I'm a full-time musician. If I wasn't doing music, I would have been a footballer or maybe a preschool teacher. Yeah, I love kids. And them call me a lie, and they mean say, yeah, man forget money for the Friday. Oh, my favorite song aside my music is gonna be Wizkid featuring the man Mali. Baby, say tonight me and my guys we go jam bedu, oh. Definitely gonna be Wizkid. Famous old musician. I used to spend a lot of time with Dasebre Jamina way back in Koforidua, so it's gonna be Dasebre. If I could change anything about the music industry in Ghana currently, it's gonna be monetization and then way of generating money. Our airplays, we don't get money from them, and most of the things we do it free. So if I'm supposed to change anything about our music industry now, it's gonna be our monetization. Yeah. Next for me, it's definitely gonna be another EP before an album. Sure, great stuff's coming up. I have an EP, 5 songs, Laugh from the Other Side. It's everywhere. Making waves. Slow down your tempo, slow motion. Baby girl, slow motion. I know how you like it, how you need it. Oh, yeah. Oh. Are you ready? Oh, yeah. The way they cut you walk, mommy, they scatter brain. No, I learned you are from abroad. Bonjour, madame, I said no. Can I be your friend? I'm better take your number before you go. Oh. In Cabo Bafite Jefe, Take my hand and feel the vibe. Close your eyes, don't look no further. No, mama, you just relax. And I treat what I need, so then I don't wanna.
I'll fall for you. Oh, from the darkest night to the morning. Plumaja, plumaja, give me the tea. Plumaja, give me the plumaja, plumaja. Yeah. So let me do the walking, talking. Oh, yo, yo. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, won't you send me your location? Let's focus on communicating, cause I just need time and place to come through. Oh, yeah. Right, baby girl, come and ride with me tonight. I just need time and place to come through. Baby, do the walking, talking. When you did the walking, talking. Yeah. When your body bouncing, everything nice. When you see me counting money, yeah. Baby, don't shouting. See, baby, don't shouting. Keep it low key, no flaunting. Every time your body I'm hunting for, yeah. Call on me, yeah. Whoa, no hesitation. Oh. Yeah. Oh, yeah. See, you better don't start with me. Superstar shit, and I look fucking clean. The very moment I saw you, I knew you. Oh, so let me do the walking, talking. And don't you leave because I'm falling for your love. Gee. Let's go. Plumaja. 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 Give me that. So let me do the walking, talking. Boy, yo. Yeah. Oh. Walking. Talking. Walking, talk. Alright. Let go. Peace.